Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, we'll see how to clone your website in Hostinger Website Builder. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder that you want to also clone, click on these three dots and select Duplicate Website. Here, select to which web hosting plan you would like to add or to clone this website. In my case, I have a single web hosting plan, which is this business one. Click on the select plan button. Website was duplicated successfully. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Website was duplicated successfully. Now refresh this page and your cloned website or the duplicated version of your website is created successfully. Let's access it, or before that, let's open my original website. This is it. And let's click on this edit website button next to my cloned website. Now my cloned website is still not live. To publish it online, click on this Go Live button. And let's view it live. It is the exact same copy, no single difference. It's a fully duplicated copy. But this website address is different. This is a temporary website address. If you want to connect your domain name to this duplicated to this cloned version, just go to connect domain and you can edit your domain. And this is how to clone your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.